Assalamualaikum. Breaking news tonight. We have confirmed that a truck driver named Adnan was the cause of a fatal collision involving a semi-truck on the Rawang Bypass Highway earlier this evening. Details are still investigation, but the tragedy has sent shockwaves through the community.
You were driving this vehicle, were not you? Look at me.
I don't remember. Where is she? Is she okay?
You need to tell me the truth right now. Look at me.
I'm sorry. I swear I did not mean to.
Another accident due to human fatigue. I think I have to do something to stop this problem. Technology has advanced so rapidly. It's time we harness that power to implement real change and ensure a tragedy like this never happens again.
Yeah! I have an idea. Yes!
Boom! As the graph demonstrates, integrating this new AI changed everything. We move from human error to predictive safety.
This diagram shows how the AI autopilot system integrates directly into the truck's navigation. It's seamless.
I hope this project can work properly.
We look forward to a successful implementation, Dr. Chen.
Okay, Maya. Let me show you how the autopilot function is working on the screen. But you cannot watching a Netflix here, okay? Because this is not an Android player. Hahaha, I'm just kidding, bro. Okay, Maya. Autopilot is now active. System stable. Alright. You can let go of the steering wheel now. Why your hand still there? Just let it go. It's already under control now. Come on, man.
Assalamualaikum. In transport news tonight. Statistics shows 50% reduction in truck accidents on highways since the introduction of the AI autopilot system. A safer future is finally here.